Hi, it's Matt here from That Leisure Shop. Welcome to the Camp Stove Toaster. Now this is a brilliant little product. I've wanted us to stock these for some time. So imagine the scene. You've got a grill, gas powered or electric powered grill. Now if you're like me, I love a bit of toast in the morning. You need a Camp Stove Toaster. It comes really nicely packaged, easy to wrap if you're going to buy it as a gift. Stainless steel and plated steel, I'll show you. So it comes flat packed. There is a knack to opening it up. Just assemble it like so. And we've got a 4-slice toaster. So the base plate is plated steel, which stops it warping as the heat gets onto it and it heats up. And these are stainless steel, the wires that you put your bread on so they don't rust. Now obviously you don't want rust coming in contact with your toast. Place 4 bits of bread on here, just like on the picture. Absolutely brilliant little product, really cheap. Have some toast.